Valley couponer. It is Monday, June the 7th of 2021. It's a nasty day out. It was literally a 30% chance of rain, and then it turns into legit pouring down rain, like probably the most amount of like downpour rain I've seen in a long time. It's like really annoying, and I have like, of course I have like a million places I have to go today, so of course that's when all the rain would happen. But I'm heading to JCPenney to get my hair cut. It's been too long since I've got it cut, but I'm here today to get my hair cut, so get that done. And then I have 4 different videos to film today. Man, the roads are like flooding. This is kind of scary. Anyway, I have the vlog. I have my Ibotta haul, which is going to be amazing. I'm going to knock out all those rebates. I have my Kroger deals video I'm pre-filming for Wednesday. And then I actually have a grocery haul that I'm going to be able to film as well. So lots of awesome videos today. I'm super excited to share them all with you guys. Why on earth? Of course, when I have to come to JCPenney, there's 40 million people here, and I'm gonna have to walk forever to get in. That's just awesome. Now I gotta find a parking spot at this wonderful place. Of course, the ones up front have been converted into curbside pickup, so I can't park there. Gonna have to park. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to just run in here as fast as I can. All right, so I'm going to go into JCPenney, get this done. All right, I'm gonna run into JCPenney, literally run, get this haircut, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after, and hopefully it's not raining. I can't believe it, but it stopped raining. I'm so happy. So I just got my haircut. It looks so much better. I think I'm gonna run to Kroger. For the first time, I'm actually gonna have to go 2 times today because I'm going to do my filming and my couponing haul, and then we're going later to do a grocery haul. My mom's gonna go because we're just gonna pick out groceries. And so, yeah, so I gotta go twice. But the reason I'm coming twice is it'd just be way too much to film, shop, and do all that at once. So that's why I do split it up and do things separately. And I'm gonna come twice for that reason. But that's okay. So I'm gonna head to Kroger now. I'm hungry though, so I'm gonna have to make it quick because I don't want to get tempted to buy like lots of food at Kroger that isn't really that good of a price because I'm so hungry. So need to get it done quick. So yes, I'm going to head in to Kroger now. So I'll catch you guys there. Is anybody else like drawn to these super retro logos on the Lays? Like, I think these are so cool. Now I half want to buy them, but I think that's just my hunger talking. All right, so as I was finishing my checkout, I realized I forgot the most important item on my mega, or not my mega, but the haul. It's a Brave Robot ice cream. I totally forgot about it. So back in here again because I can't pass up a $2 moneymaker. So man, it's getting wiped in here too. I guess everybody got the free coupon. I don't know, but yeah, Kroger round 2. All right, guys, it's been a while since I've updated. It's just like I've been shopping, filming, doing all the things YouTube related today. Had a really good haul over at Walmart. The deals are really great. If you haven't seen the haul video, it will have already went up today. Well, the day you guys are seeing it, it went up Tuesday morning. So definitely check that out. Now the fun part is, where did I leave my car? That is the question. But I'm gonna go home and gonna make dinner tonight. We're gonna have Chinese food, so that sounds really good. So that is what we are going to do now. If I can find my car, and I can't find it anywhere. I'm down there. Okay. All right, guys, it's Tuesday now. I kind of dropped the ball yesterday with the vlogging, but that's okay. We're just going to make it a 2-day vlog wrapped up into one. So now I'm going to go through and organize all this stockpile stuff. I got to put these things away in the stockpile. This is like my haul from last Monday, and then last Thursday, and then yesterday's haul. So it's a lot of stuff I got to put away. I've actually got to clear some room out in the stockpile to make room for a lot of these things because, like, I have a lot of stuff here. I'm going to have to find a place to put it. So, yeah, that is kind of what I'm going to do now, and I'm going to let you guys follow me along the entire process. I finished organizing the personal care, health, and beauty stuff. I do have some groceries still left out. I'm going to wait on my mom for that because she organizes the pantry and I don't want to put anything out of place. So we'll wait and do that probably tomorrow. So yeah, it'll stay. But it's definitely more contained than it was. So I got my room all nice and cleaned again, and that'll get me more motivated to work. I always feel more motivated when my room's not a mess. So it's easier for me to get stuff done. I have a lot of stuff to get done today, but that definitely was on the list. So I'm glad I got most of the haul items put away. I also this morning finished a paper. Our group has to do a paper every week, and I was in charge this week of compiling everybody's work together into one paper and submitting. So I got that taken care of. I also had to write an introduction and conclusion for that. So it did take some time, but I got that done. It's lunchtime now, so I'm going to go eat lunch, and I'm going to answer comments. I am so embarrassed. I have not answered comments in a couple days. And it's going to take a while to get caught up now because I'd like to answer or at least like everybody's comments to let you know I did read it. So I got to go back through and get caught up on those. So I'm probably just going to eat lunch, watch an episode of Heartland while answering people's comments. I can multitask and watch TV and answer comments at the same time. Just kind of relax. I have a lot of school stuff to take care of today as well. Today is kind of the day I'm getting caught up on school. And I also got to finish editing the Kroger video from yesterday. I didn't ever film an intro, so I'm going to do that today as well. I have a pretty big to-do list of just little things that got to get done. I got a lot of homework today as well. I just keep studying for the MFT, so just a lot to do, but we're going to do it. So I got my to-do list going. I'm just going to go down the line and keep getting things done and taken care of. So yeah, that is what we're going to do now. And yeah, let's continue to vlog. All right, it's been a super productive couple hours since I've last checked in. I got that Kroger video uploaded and ready for tomorrow morning, which you guys are seeing this Wednesday night. I know I missed the vlog yesterday, like I said. So you guys are seeing this Wednesday night. So the Kroger video is already up. So definitely check that out if you haven't. But I got that done. I answered comments, and that took quite some time because there's a lot of comments. I wanted to get caught back up. I also ordered my dad's Father's Day gift. I think I did that right before I checked in last time, but I ordered that. So that was good. And yeah, so now I'm really going to focus in on school. Have another Zoom meeting tonight at 7:30. So got a while. It's 3:36. So I have a while before that. And I'm just going to go through and get homework done. And yeah, so my tentative plan is I'm going to get homework done. And then that should put me around dinner. And then we're going to have dinner. And then I have that Zoom call at 7:30. And then after the Zoom, I'm going to study for the MFT again. I might even get some studying done before, but we'll see. I'm actually really feeling good about it now. I was freaking out, but I showed on the vlog the other day where I was doing flashcards, and I went back through those, and just writing it down really put it in my head. Like, I remembered most of the answers going through the flashcards because I had written them down rather. And so that made it a lot easier for me to memorize. And I think if I just do that for the whole thing, it should be a breeze. You know, I'm thinking it will. So I don't know. I don't love tests, but I just keep reminding myself this is the last one ever. There will be no more tests. I'm never going back to school again. This is it. So yes, I'm excited and looking forward to that. So now I'm just going to work on homework. Here I have Connect problems, and I have the book here. We're allowed to use our book during this. And I also have a big discussion post. While I do that, I'm going to listen to some music. I always listen to music every waking moment of the day, pretty much. It just helps me concentrate and it keeps me uplifted. I'm going to do that now. Oh, my grandma's calling. She's at Kroger doing the mega. And so I've been helping her on the phone try to figure her mega event out. So I'm going to answer her and then I'll do the homework. Comment down below. What are your favorite music groups? I would love to know what kind of music you enjoy listening to, what your favorite, like maybe a favorite song or your favorite music group to listen to. Definitely let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Gas is back over $3 a gallon. Just wonderful. So annoying. I can't believe it's back over $3. Like, oh my gosh. Gonna need those Kroger fuel points now more than ever. Whenever I try to go to my room, Elliot stands here screaming to get in. So, go on, Elliot. For some reason, he has an obsession with my room. It's really, really weird, but whatever. So, he's in here now and he's happy. Like, sometimes I'll get up from bed in the morning and go out and he's like, just runs in because he's waiting for me to open the door. It's like really, really weird. Elliot. Ellie. Just make yourself at home there. Yeah, seriously. All right, guys, it is almost 10 o'clock and we're doing this vlog super casual just here. I'm laying in bed. Yeah, I'm tired, but I'm going to wrap up the vlog for tonight. It's been a pretty good day. I hope you guys did enjoy, even though I already failed already. I was supposed to post a vlog every single day in June. Didn't happen, but I still technically vlogged both days. I just merged them together into one. I think it's okay. There's a lot of people who watched the haul video today anyway, so it's all good. But anyway, we did our Zoom meeting tonight. That went really well. Our group's doing awesome. I'm super happy and excited. It's like a simulation for a business. We own a company is the simulation, and there's 4 different teams in our class, and we're basically competing to see which one does the best. We have these simulations we have to do twice a week, so we did our first one today, and I feel really good about that. So I finished our paper today, and I also did Connect homework problems, and then I still have to do the discussion post. I'm going to do that before I even go to bed tonight, because I need to make sure tomorrow I knock out studying like crazy for that MFT test. I need to really study hard tomorrow because it's just looking rough. Now, about the math problems, I don't even know how to study for this. I had to reach out to my professor because I'm like, it says that you can't have a calculator, but I don't see how that's possible because some of these questions are like so intense, like finding percentages and calculating these formulas and stuff. There's no way they expect people to be able to do that by hand. Why don't you guys left a comment saying that it's likely that they'll have like a built-in calculator that we can use as long as like they can see it, like a calculator on the computer in the Proctor system. So I actually reached out to my professor. Thank you to whoever commented that. Thank you for the mentioning that because I wouldn't have even thought about it. I actually reached out to him and asked if this is something that they might do. Is there going to be any way there's like a calculator access? Is it built in? So we'll see what he says. If he says no, then I kind of just feel like I'm going to throw all the math problems and just really focus on the vocabulary and the ones I can at least memorize, but I don't know. We're going to see what happens. So tomorrow I want to really, really focus and study for that test. The practice book I got has like 120 sample questions in it. I've done 1 through 30 so far, trying to really master those and study those. So hopefully I can do that. But tomorrow I'm just going to really crack down and I believe I'm going to try to do 31 through 90 would be ideal. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And then Thursday, I'm going to finish up with the rest of the problems. So we shall see. The test is on Friday. So we'll see about that. But tomorrow, I am going to definitely do a Vloon, but it's going to be a Q&A video. I got a ton of questions. You guys just ask questions. Some of them are YouTube related, couponing related, life related. So we're going to sit down and answer those. That'll be the Vloon for tomorrow. So I'm super excited to do that as well. because there's not going to be anything interesting to vlog about tomorrow, really. So we're just going to do a Q&A style video, and I'm excited to answer all you guys' questions, so that'll be a lot of fun. And of course, if something interesting does happen, I'll just include it in the vlog as well, but I'm not thinking it's going to. So, yeah, that's kind of all I got for today. I hope you all enjoyed this. Hopefully gave you guys some inspiration on organizing your stockpile. That's probably one of the most dreaded things, that and cutting coupons anymore. That is the downfalls of couponing for me. It's really a pain. So, yeah, that's all I got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.